Hey everyone, it's Grizz. You got me knob out. Got me knobblies out. It's time to build. It's time to get the BMW built.
Righto everyone, 6-gear motorcycle here. It come to my attention that the BMW Scrambler build is outstanding. And when I say it's outstanding, I don't mean it's marvellous, I mean it's not completed. We need to rally around now, chaps, and get this bike built. Come on now everyone, we will build them. We will build them in the garage. We'll ride them. We'll ride them in the hills. We'll ride them in the roads. And we'll ride them on the beaches.
It's been a long time, guys. I'm back in the garage. The BMW Scrambler build is on the ground. It's in bits. It's totally in bits. But I've got some nice knobblies, front and rear, and lots of changes to come. Basically, some other new additions. I've bought a second-hand seat frame to save me bodging up a rear seat frame. I thought I'd bodge this one up instead. At the moment, as you can see, the bike is in bits. I've had it all stripped down to free up some room here in the garage. But I've decided it's time to get the Scrambler bike back on the road, get it built. I say back on the road, it was never really on the road, was it? It's been stripped down. I started this and not really finished it, so I'm really sorry for the delay and the wait. It's been very, very long, but the time has come. At the moment, the S1000RR, Grizz is being a bit of a nonce and just can't make his mind up as to what to buy next. So I'm putting the BMW on ice for a moment, for now, for a moment. I don't know how long, to be honest. I'm going to crack on and get into the BMW Scrambler build and get this baby built, and hopefully throughout that period while I'm doing this I can decide what to do with the S1000RR. I've been looking at all kinds of bikes, everything from Supermotos through to Ducati 1198, sorry. But I just can't make my mind up on what I want, so this needs doing. I'm not going to put my bike or Taffy's bike through the winter. That's really difficult to do. You try doing that, there we go, without looking at your hand. But anyway, I'm not going to put either bike through the winter, so I need a winter bike. I don't want to go and buy a winter bike, which seems kind of pointless when I've got this one sat here. And I've got loads of bits for it, guys. I've got a new front end for the bike, which is that. I've got a new billet top yoke as well, with some bar raisers on there, with a nice flat bar, so we can put that nice. I've got some digital clocks. I've got loads of stuff actually. I'll get it all out at some point, but at the moment I want to say the build's on, Grizz is on it. Sorry for the delay, guys. Sorry for the long wait, but we're going to get it on. Let's get this build on. There's been lots of reasons why the build hasn't continued. There's going to be a lot of jiggery pokery I need to do to get things to fit up, because the front wheel, which is here, I'm not going to pull it out, it's here. There it is. The front wheel has a different axle to this new front end, and I need to get some new bearings made up for that. I need new bearings or fitting points for the frame, which is going to fit onto the new wishbone, front wishbone. Let me get that a sec, let me show you. Right, it's easier just to walk you over. Here you are. Here is the old front suspension kind of wishbone, and here's the new one, which will lower the front end slightly. So there are some modifications needed to be done on that. As I said, I've not got everything out at the moment. I've got a lot of it in boxes, but I will get it out. I did start stripping this down because it enabled me to have a bit more room in here. As you can see, it's a bit tight in here in my garage. It's only a small one. I've only got a small one, guys, so yeah, not much room is there, but enough room to get the job done. So now I've got to put it back together. I did get certain things cleaned up, like the frame and the gearbox. The engine still needs a clean up. This is going to be a lot of work, but to save faffing around right now, I want to loosely get it back together again so I can basically mock up the whole build and then get it together, and yeah, we can get a feel for it all. See, there's the old wheels and new tires, nice knobblies, Continentals, lovely jubbly, ooh, nice and knobbly. Yeah, front end, as you can see, yeah, they're a fair bit different, a lot more meatier and lower again. Can I get this all in shot for you? Yeah, there we go. So yeah, I'm planning on the bike being lower. I don't know how my lowering the bike is going to affect everything. I've got different springs and whatnot here, loads of bits here I still need to actually pull out. I've had a big tidy up in this garage actually. You wouldn't think it because it's still a bloody mess, but I've had to make a lot of room to fit the BMW in here and Taffy's bike as well, and move some bits and pieces around. I've just pulled everything out of here basically over the weekend and had a tidy up. So it still looks a mess though. But anyway, guys, the BMW Scrambler build is coming. It's coming back. Sorry I've kept you all waiting, but things were the way they were. Now it's time to press on. And like I said, hopefully I can get this together. I don't want to make any rash decisions with the with selling the BMW S1000RR. Put a lot of time and energy into it, and it seems a bit of a shame just to say goodbye. I probably will sell it. Just can't make up my mind what to buy. So I'm going to focus on this build, get it done, and then I'll decide what to do during or after, when the bike is when the Scrambler build is completed. But I do need a winter bike, so maybe we can use the Scrambler as the winter bike. Really depends how long it takes me to build it, I guess, but hopefully it's not going to be too long. It's certainly going to be interesting, and yeah, a lot of work to be done. So yeah, let's get it going, let's sort it out, let's get it all built in it. And hopefully it won't take me too long. It'll be my famous last words, as you all know. But yeah, let the fun begin. Should be a good one, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.